Hello, Jim here. Thanks for joining in. Today we have another Dive Instructor Reacts. Have a look at this. Now, this is a video from a Dubai aquarium, and I've only just recently seen this, but apparently lots of people have. It's got almost, 5.6 million views. Good grief. Have a look at this. Yeah, so here it is, and it's a dive. Well, somebody is taking that video, and look at those jaws, man. Check out those teeth. I believe a sand tiger. Please tell me if I'm wrong. That guy, look, you can already see how he's on the rock. Guy on the left is cool as a cucumber. Guy on the right may be a little more nervous. And I think the guy on the right is the one who wrote the description here. This is a beast. This thing is huge. Yeah, now in the description it talks about the shark cutting a corner. So presumably the guy thought it was gonna, or it usually takes a long lap around the tank, and in this case the shark cuts that lap short and it comes back around near this poor fella. Look, the fella's leaning back. I understand. And now the shark makes a left turn, and the buddy's trying to calm him down, but he's floating up, I think. He says in the description. Now watch this, it gets worse. Look at that. Apparently he's just inches away from this guy right now. Oh, dude. Yeah. So I think right now is when he wanted to let the air out, and he didn't. Yeah, he's floating up. You can see it. Let that air. Here he goes. Let that air out. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Yeah, his friend is cool as a cucumber, man. All right, there it is. Oh, they're signaling something. What did they signal there? Let me see that again. Ah, gotcha. Yeah, he's trying to signal that he was floating up. Got it. Holy cow, huh? Could you imagine? I don't know. If I was, he says in his description that he goes into this mall a lot, and so he's used to seeing it. So if you go into a mall 100 times and you see 100 times 300 people not get eaten, you'd probably think, yeah, I'm gonna probably do that. Maybe I would. Who knows? That is freaky, though. The commentary is pretty interesting. I'll put it up here. It says, okay, this was my first aquarium dive at the Dubai Mall. Yes, this is a real shark and no editing Photoshop was done. To explain, I was watching the shark swim around. He was in there with the shark. When I turned around to watch it, I had too much air in my BC and couldn't grip the rock. We were told to try not to breathe out when the shark was above us because they can feel the vibration of the bubbles. I also wasn't about to put my arm up to release the air in the BC, and in the moment didn't think to pull my cord. Now, to be honest, every time I'm at that mall, I'm just waiting to see someone in there get ripped to pieces. I would feel the same way. That is just freaky. Well, now the time came for me to be that person. The shark obviously has the craziest teeth of all the sharks in the tank, so when he cut that corner and was in my face, my beehole puckered up quite a bit. He seemed like he was about 5 inches in front of me. I had a million thoughts going through my head. At first was to take off, but instantly told myself, no chance and dumb idea. I can't outswim a shark. Next thought, hey look, there's everyone watching, just waiting for that mauling, laugh out loud. And of course I thought it was the end. But it also seemed to drag out, and I remembered the laughing shark from Strange Wilderness. I haven't seen that. Overall, I think I handled my cool. After that was over, my buddy I was diving with was trying to tell me to calm down. I was trying to explain to him I keep going up and need to stay down. My dive buddy was a brother from the Marine Corps, so you know he wasn't about to help me, laugh out loud. If it was going to get one of us, it was going to get me. All right, and there are 6,600 comments in there. Okay, post up. Would you do that? So a few things I'd like to hear. Yeah, would you do that? And also, does anyone have an idea what's going on with the dentition there, with the mouth? And if anybody else has been there, that would be interesting to hear. All right, thanks a lot. Scuba Instructor Reacts. And if you have, some people have been sending me these videos now. If there's a video out there that you'd like to see a reaction to or an analysis of, an incident or some interesting sea life video, send me the link. Thanks a lot. See you on the beach.